Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. From today onwards, we are going to start a new series on Indian history. Today's topic is Ancient Indian History, Early Men and Indus Valley Civilization. So let's start the question answers. First thing first, what is the greatest invention of man in Paleolithic era? Answer is fire. What is the correct sequence of Mesolithic, Chalcolithic, Paleolithic and Neolithic era? Correct sequence is Paleolithic, then Mesolithic, then Neolithic, followed by Chalcolithic. Remains of which era are founded in Bellary, Karnataka? Answer is Paleolithic. Is Silt tool related to Paleolithic culture? Answer is no. At which place painted rock shelters belonging to Paleolithic and Mesolithic ages are found? Answer is Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Nomad men started settling in which era? Answer is Neolithic era. At which place has excavation in recent years brought to light new evidences of Neolithic site in India? Answer is Hamren in Assam. Cultivation of cereals first started in which era? Answer is Neolithic era. Which was the first metal used by man? Answer is copper. Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. Which was the first discovered site of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is Harappa. What is the period of Indus Valley civilization? 2500 BC to 1750 BC. Who first used the term Indus Valley civilization? Answer is John Marshall. The northernmost site of Indus Valley civilization is Manda on bank of Chenab in Jammu and Kashmir. The southernmost site of Indus Valley civilization is Daimabad on bank of Pravara in Maharashtra. The easternmost site of Indus Valley civilization is Alamgirpur on bank of Hindon in UP. The westernmost site of Indus Valley civilization is Sutka Gendor on bank of Dasak, that is Pakistan-Iran border. Which are port cities of Indus Valley civilization? The answers are Lothal, Sutka Gendor, Alhadino, Balakot and Kuntasi. Harappa is located on the bank of which river? Answer is Ravi. Where is Harappa located? Montgomery in Punjab, Pakistan. Who excavated Harappa? Dayaram Sahani in the year 1921. Mohenjo-daro is located on the bank of which river? Answer is Indus. Where is Mohenjo-daro located? Larkana in Sindh, Pakistan. Who excavated Mohenjo-daro? Answer is R.D. Banerjee in the year 1922. Chanhu-daro is located on the bank of which river? Answer is Indus. Where is Chanhu-daro located? Nawab Shah in Sindh, Pakistan. Who excavated Chanhu-daro? Mackay in the year 1925. Lothal is situated on the bank of which river? Answer is Ghaggar. Where is Lothal located? Kathiawar in Gujarat, India. Who excavated Lothal? Answer is S.R. Rao in the year 1954. Kalibangan is situated on the bank of which river? Answer is Ghaggar. Where is Kalibangan located? Ganganagar in Rajasthan, India. Who excavated Kalibangan? Amalanand Ghosh in the year 1951. Banawali is situated on the bank of which river? Ghaggar. Where is Banawali situated? Hisar in Haryana in India. Who excavated Banawali? R.S. Bisat in the year 1973. Dholavira is situated on the bank of which river? Answer is Luni. Where is Dholavira located? Kutch in Gujarat, India. Who excavated Dholavira? J.P. Joshi in the year 1967. 6. Grenades in row were found where? In Harappa Cemetery. R37H was found in Harappa. Great Bath, Great Granary and Assembly Hall were found in Mohenjo-daro. Pushpati and Mahadev seals were found in Mohenjo-daro. Bronze image of dancing girl and steatite image of bearded man were found in Mohenjo-daro. Which site of Indus Valley had no citadel? Answer is Chanhudaro. Which Harappan city had a dockyard? Answer is Lothal. Plowed field surface was found in Kalibangan. Which was the largest city of Indus Valley civilization? Answer is Mohenjo-daro. How were cities planned in Harappan culture? Grid system. Which types of bricks were used in Harappan civilization? Burnt brick. What type of drainage system was used in Harappan civilization? Answer is underground drainage. At which Harappan site remains of horse have been found? Answer is Surkotada, Kutch in Gujarat. What were the main crops of Harappan culture? The main crops are wheat and barley. Where was rice cultivated in Harappan civilization? Lothal and Rangpur in Gujarat. Which animal were not known to Indus people? Answer is cow and lion. Indus people had trading relation with which civilization? Answer is Mesopotamian civilization. Was iron known to Indus Valley peoples? Answer is no. Sumerian text referred to Harappan civilization as Meluha. Satughai and Mundigak are Indus sites in Afghanistan. Earliest people to produce cotton, that is Sindhan in Greek, were Harappans. Which method of exchange was prevalent in Harappan civilization? Barter system. Did Harappan people worship in temple? Answer is no. Which is the most commonly found figurine in Harappan culture? Matri Devi or Shakti, that is mother goddess. The chief male deity of Harappan culture was Pashupati Mahadev. Which animal were found in Pashupati seal? Elephant, tiger, rhino, buffalo and deer. Did Harappan people worship sex organs? Yes, lingam and yoni. Did Harappan people worship animal and people tree? Answer is yes. Which type of script was used by Harappan people? Pictographic script, that is Bonstropheden. What was the common method of disposal of dead in Harappan culture? Answer is complete burial. What is origin of swastika symbol? The origin is in Indus Valley civilization. Who said Indra is accused of causing decline of in Indus civilization? Answer is M. Wheeler. Rigveda speaks of a battle at a place named Hariyompia, which has been identified with Harappa. Which were the contemporary civilization of Indus Valley civilization? These are Mesopotamia, Egypt and China. So friends, these are the questions from this topic. We are coming up with the new video where we will be discussing some other topic on Indian history. If you have liked this video, then please share with all of your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day ahead.